Welcome to Bordeaux, a land of prestigious vineyards and charming villages where the art of winemaking meets the allure of French countryside living. Bordeaux, located in the southwest of France, is renowned for its exceptional wines, scenic vineyards, and welcoming villages. The Bordeaux wine region is a paradise for wine enthusiasts. The area is home to some of the world's most esteemed wineries and vineyards, producing a wide range of red, white, rosé, and sparkling wines. The region is divided into sub-regions like Medoc, Pomerol, Saint-Emilion, Graves, and more, each contributing its unique character and flavors to Bordeaux's diverse wine portfolio. Bordeaux, often referred to as the wine capital of the world, is renowned for its prestigious vineyards and winemaking traditions. A fun fact about Bordeaux is that it's home to one of the oldest and largest wine-producing regions globally, with evidence of viticulture dating back over 2,000 years. The region boasts a remarkable 60 appellations and approximately 7,000 wine-producing chateaux, making it a paradise for wine enthusiasts and connoisseurs. The diversity of soils, climate, and grape varieties in Bordeaux contributes to the wide range of flavors and styles found in its exceptional wines. Your journey through Bordeaux begins with exploring the capital city of Bordeaux, a vibrant metropolis with elegant architecture, bustling markets, and a lively dining scene. The city's quays along the Garonne River are perfect for a leisurely stroll or a bike ride, offering views of picturesque bridges and the stunning Place de la Bourse. Venturing into the Bordeaux wine region, you'll encounter charming villages that exude a timeless charm. Saint-Emilion, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a must-visit. This ancient village is a maze of narrow streets, historic churches, and wine cellars. The village of Margaux, located in the Medoc region, is another gem for wine enthusiasts. It's home to some of the region's most prestigious vineyards, offering guided tours and wine tastings. The elegant Chateau Margaux, a renowned winery, is a testament to the region's viticultural heritage. The Bordeaux wine region is not only about wine, it's also about embracing the beauty of the countryside. The vineyards themselves are a sight to behold, with neat rows of vines stretching across the landscape as far as the eye can see. Your exploration of Bordeaux's villages and vineyards is a celebration of wine culture, gastronomy, and the beauty of the French countryside. As you taste the flavors of Bordeaux and soak in the stunning scenery, consider the mark you will leave on the ongoing tapestry of time. What story will you tell, and how will the essence of Bordeaux influence your own narrative?